Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Savannah Liddell. If you're returning, then welcome back. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing September's Boxycharm. Yeah! So I'm going to just give a quick rundown of the products that I got, and then we're going to jump right into me using them, which they're already on my face right now. Before we jump in, just want to say really quickly, if you haven't subscribed, please just take a moment to hit that button. Want to watch this video and see if you vibe with me or not, then hey, that's fine too. But I really want to grow with you guys. I want to just share my passion with you guys. I'm not perfect by any means at makeup or any of this, but I enjoy it. It's my passion, it's my outlet. It's literally what almost kind of keeps me going. So I would really love to grow with you, and I'd love for you to watch me grow in here. So hit the subscribe button, like this video at the end if you like it, give it a thumbs down if you don't. That way I know what you guys like and what you don't. And leave me some comments below. Talk to me. I want to engage with y'all. So I'm not going to blabber on. Let's get straight into the video. So this is my third Boxycharm, and this is going to be September's Boxycharm unboxing. Here's my box. Already opened it. Just quick little background story. So I've already used all these products because I actually filmed this last night. Went back to the footage, completely hated it. So now we're starting over with filming. So just letting you guys know, disclaimer, I've already used these products, so yeah. But I still wanted to unbox my Boxycharm that I got for September. Last month I didn't really care for, so you guys will see if I like this box or not. So the first thing that you get in a Boxycharm box is a little card, and it'll give you what the theme of the box is. So this month's theme is Wildflower, and then it has these different, I'm guessing these are influencers. They're all really pretty ladies. And then they each have their own favorite product. I'm thinking that's how they do it every month. Honestly, I don't really pay attention to the card, but basically it just tells you everything that you get in the box, and then on the back of every card you're gonna get some coupons. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly run through all the products that I got in my September Boxycharm, and then we're gonna get into actually applying them on the face. So the first thing that I got were these 3 brushes. This is from Limo. They gave me 3 brushes. I like the color, really cute. Also got a liquid lipstick from Lorac. This is in the shade Black Cherry, and it's super vampy, which is like perfect for the fall. Also got a Laura Geller blush, which I never complain. I love blush. And this is in the shade Blush and Brighten. It's really pretty. All her blushes are like, have that marble kind of effect, so there's a few different colors in there. Also got an eyeliner from Butter London. This is called Stroke of Wow, and it's a roll-on precision liner. This is really unique, so I can't wait to show you guys how this actually works. You'll see in just a few. And then the last thing that we got is from a brand called Pretty Vulgar. It is a eyeshadow palette, and it's called Nightingale. And it's just like all these beautiful cool tone colors, and it's crazy because like this is just like, to me, the perfect transition to fall palette. And I really like this palette because it's getting me out of my comfort zone, because I would never move towards these type of colors. And then also I like that you get a little mirror with it. So yeah, these are all the products that I got in my September Boxycharm. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is really quickly prime my lids with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. My brows are a hot mess right now. They need to be cleaned up really bad. So yeah, they're just looking ratchet. But I'm just going with the flow, you know? That's what you have to do in life. I'm just going to blend this out with my finger too, like, whatever. We're going to jump straight into the palette, and let me just, if I can get it open. So I'm also going to use one of the brushes from Limo. I'm going to use the fluffy shader brush, and I'm going to dip into, I just want to get a color all over the lid. before I start, kind of like, I guess, a transition shade. So I'm going to actually go into Hide and Seek, and that's going to be our transition shade. And I'm just going to put that on all over the lid and in the crease. Ooh, okay. So like I said, guys, before, I actually filmed this video, so I've used all of these products before, so I kind of already have a feel for how I feel about each one. And y'all, I really don't like this. I don't like this brush at all. It, like, I don't know if you have to just break it in first because it's a brand new brush, but it's just not really moving with me. It's just kind of stiff in a way. Like, it's not blending how I need it to blend. But I'm trying to, like, just show you guys. And then I'm honestly gonna switch brushes because I hate this brush. I'm just gonna use the brush that I always use in every single video, and I've had this brush for like 4 or 5 years now, but it's like, I love it. Like, it does not fail me. This is actually a brush from Sigma. Years ago when I started really getting into makeup, like buying it, I bought like a Sigma brush kit, and I was like so proud and so excited, and I've just used this ever since. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Flip Out, and I'm going to put it in my crease. And as I'm tapping into this palette, or this shade actually, Flip Out and Hide and Seek, I haven't seen much fallout at all, like from the pan, which is normal if there is. Like, that's really not a big deal. It's like perfectly normal, so don't freak out. But yeah, I'm just going to put this all in my crease and then on the outer part of my eye. And I'm just taking my time going in those windshield wiper motions, also just going in circular motions. Just creating some depth into the eye. But y'all, so far, I'm not gonna, okay, you already know I've used this palette before, so just a little quick rundown on it. I loved it. I really loved it. All the shadows are really pigmented. I did not have any fallout, which is awesome because I love to do my foundation and concealer before my eyeshadow. I'm going to go into the shade Midnight, and we're just going to put that on the outer V of my eye. We're going to use Clutch and put that all over the lid. Now, when I used this brush yesterday, I wasn't mad at it. It's not that I did not like it. I just think that it's really small, and I think it's going to be like a really great brush for like details or cutting the crease with. But for putting a shade all over my lid, I don't really care for it just because of how small it is, and I feel like it takes too long to get the pigment all over my lid. Like, I feel like I've had to go in so many times to get it all over my lid, which was kind of annoying. Like, I wanted to be done with it pretty quick. Okay, so now I'm going to use this little shader brush thingy for the under eye, not under eye, God, the lower lash line. Why can't I just say that? I'm going to use this shade All Nighter. This one I really don't have any complaints about. I don't have, like, it's not amazing, but then it's not terrible to me. So it's like, it's okay. Now, we're going to try out this really different product. This is the Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner from Butter London. And this is just so weird. Like, when I first saw this, I was like, what? So it's literally has a little wheel on it, and you just literally wheel on your eyeliner. So yesterday when I used this, I tried to do a wing, which I'm not saying you can't do a wing with it, but my wings started getting a little jacked up, which I didn't really care for. So I think today I'm just going to use it on my lash line, but I'm going to use a different product to actually wing out my liner, just so that it looks good and not jacked up, because I had to go back and clean it up, and it was just a hot mess, y'all. It's so weird. Ooh. It just seems like extra to me, like not really needed. I don't feel like it's making it easier for me. So I really just don't feel a need for this whole concept. I think it's cool, it's unique, it's different. I've never seen anything like it before. But I was okay doing it the old way. So that's my thoughts on it. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I already put on my bronzer contour. So next I'm going to use this Laura Geller blush. It's in the shade Blush and Brighten. I'm going to use my Morphe M530 brush. I'm just going to dip into here. I'm going to make the fishy face. And I'm just going to lightly dust that blush on. Very pretty. I like how it gives like a little hint of glow as well. You almost don't even need a highlighter unless you just like are going for that highlighted look. But it's really pretty blush. Can definitely see myself using it. Really quick, I'm gonna line my lips before I put on the liquid lipstick from Lorac, or Lorac, I think. I'm just gonna use this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. It's in the color Brooklyn Thorn. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Black Cherry. And let's see. I'm just wiping a little bit of it off so that way we don't go in with too much. It has a nice little hint of vanilla. I'm just gonna let that dry because I don't want to put too much on top of it and make it like flaky and gross. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I have to see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I really like the color. It's really, really pretty and vampy and just reminds me of like Halloween and fall and winter, and it just makes me excited. So I'm gonna let this dry and then we're gonna see if it needs like another layer. I'm really hoping that it's not like patchy. Yesterday when I did it, it came out a little bit patchy and I had to go over it, and then my lips just started looking like really like gross looking to me. So I'm trying to do a different approach to see if maybe I can get a better effect. And I'm so sorry guys if I sound sleepy because it's almost 3 o'clock in the morning, which is crazy. So yes, I'm trying to get through this video. This is my second time refilming it. I'm not really like a huge fan of liquid lipsticks in my everyday life, just because I feel like some of them just go on patchy, they just dry your lips out, and I don't know, it's just not the vibe that I go for on an everyday basis. But this color is really, really pretty. I would probably like this in a lipstick better with a little bit of moisture in it. I think I'm going to go in with another layer because it's looking a little patchy here. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have everything on. So hopefully you guys like the finished look. I really love this look just for fun. I don't know if I'd have the confidence to wear this hair outside, but for filming and photos and things like that, just to change up my look, I actually really love this look. It's really vampy and it just gets me ready for fall and winter. And if you guys don't know, fall is like my favorite season. Anyways, I just want to quickly review over the September Boxycharm. So overall, I really did love the box. Starting off with the eyeshadow palette, I think it was probably my favorite product out of everything because I can definitely see myself using this, especially right now with us transitioning into fall. And I really like the palette. The shadows were super easy to work with. They're pigmented, they didn't have fallout. And I really like it because it gets me out of my comfort zone. Next thing is the Laura Geller blush. I really like it. I have no complaints. I love a blush, so thumbs up. What else? Next, we have these 3 brushes from Olimar or Alamar, and overall they were okay. I absolutely could not stand this blending brush. It didn't do anything for me. It's too big. It just doesn't move. So this is like a huge thumbs down for me. This one, yeah, they could have kept that. And then this one, it was okay. I'm not complaining about it at all. And then this one as well was okay. I'm not complaining about it. I do want to try to use this to cut my crease. So in another video, I'll be testing this out. But overall, the brushes were, they were okay. Now as for this Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner, this, I like the concept of this product. Like, it's very unique. I've never seen anything like it. I appreciate that the liner was super black and pigmented. But like I said, when I was putting it on, although it wasn't terrible, I just don't see what's wrong with the old way of doing things. Like, I don't feel like this made it easier on me. So honestly, I probably would never buy anything like this, but is that it? Yeah, that was it. So let me guys know what you think about this Boxycharm. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. That way I know that you guys actually like to see me unbox these Boxycharms. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.